Hello, in front of me I have Garmin Epix Gen 2 and I'm gonna show you how to change the time settings on this device. Let's start by pressing and holding the Up/Menu button to open the menu. Once the menu opens, scroll down, keep scrolling down until you find the System option and tap on it. Now scroll down and tap on Time, and here we can change a couple of things. First, let's change the time. So select the Set Time option, tap on it, select Manual, and now you can scroll down and tap on Time. And here you can adjust the time by swiping up and down to set the hour. Then you can tap on Minutes, set the minutes, and then you can tap on the check mark to confirm. You can also change the time format, so you can tap on Time Format and select 12 hours, 24 hours, and military. Select the one you like. Next we have Date Format. Here you can change the format of the date. You have options like day, month, year, month, day, year, and year, month, day. Select the one you like by tapping on it. And that's about it. Once you're done, you can press the back button to go back. And that's how you change the time settings on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.